There comes a time when everything you've built falls apart. The dream you fought for slips right through your hands, and in that silence, the world feels heavier than ever. People tell you, just move on. But they don't see the weight of starting from zero again, the fear of failing twice at the same thing. But here's the truth. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of it. Every setback carries a lesson that success never could. Starting again doesn't mean you lost everything. It means you still have the strength to rise. You've learned what doesn't work. You've grown tougher, wiser, more aware. Every great story you've ever heard, every inventor, every leader, every dreamer, they all failed before they succeeded. What made them different wasn't luck. It was the courage to start again when no one believed they could. Self-development begins the moment you stop asking, "Why me?" and start asking, "What can I learn from this?" Growth isn't a straight line, it's a cycle of falling, learning, and rising stronger. So if life has broken you, remember you are not starting from scratch, you're starting from experience. And that makes all the difference. Have the courage to start again.